Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. 4 items here. Start off with this one, I think. Thunderbirds. It's one of those clip together plastic kits with either a pullback motor or it says here clockwork motor. So I'll put that to one side, either for my grandson to do or I'll do it if I get bored. Tobar. Okay, that one cost me £1. Next, this one, Airjet Rocket, again £1. Looks to me, I've had a look inside to make sure the bits are there. It looks to me like it's just a pump, pushes the air into there and it shoots off a foam rocket rather like a Nerf whatever you call it, projectile. Very similar. Oh, I could have a quick look inside, couldn't I? If I can get the box open. Yeah, a little bit bigger than a Nerf projectile. An air pump. Connect that up to the bottom of the launch mechanism. Now I think you just have to push it hard enough to shoot the rocket off the end. I might have a little go at that, but that's really for the grandsons to play with. This chap, I picked it up, noticed it was just 50p, which I was tempted to buy it anyway just for Halloween stuff, and then I noticed he's got a battery compartment on the bottom and a little button. Right, well that surprised me because it didn't do anything in the shop. So we got try me off and on. So if I push it to on, what happens then? Right, okay. Well, that appears to be it. I was going to take it apart because I didn't think it was going to do anything. Toy Quest, that says. Los Angeles, CA90064, all rights reserved, made in China, 44939. And what's that? 0690218. No idea what any of those numbers mean. Goes on a bit. It's not a tilt switch. It's not sound activated. It just appears to be press his knee. And now it's not going to do anything. I reckon there's a loose wire in there. Turn it off for now anyway. Well, it looks like fun. I don't know if it does anything else other than make noises. There's a solid lump in there, which is probably the control electronics. I might take it apart anyway, just have a look, see what's inside. And then finally, this thing, I wasn't going to pick it up. Volkswagon 2014. Golden Bear Products Limited, made in China, item number 0666. Looks like it's just the forwards, backwards, and then the steering slots to one side when it goes backwards. so it turns in reverse. But what caught my eye was looking at it, it does say 2.4 gigahertz, and I do have a controller that I found all on its own with no car to go with it that was also 2.4 gigahertz. I just thought I'd give it a try. I honestly don't expect it to match, but if it does match, then I've won. That was £1 as well. So that's it really. 1, 2, 3, 4 items, wasn't it? Leave that to one side for my grandsons. Might just test that out, try my controller with that, see if it matches, and probably put that one in the toy box for the boys to find. I think I'll show you this one working. I was going to do a separate video, but it's not worth the effort. The bits go together, no problem at all the bits are there, and the idea is you just give this a hard pump or a quick pump and the air pressure shoots that up in the air. And I'll do it. There. That was exciting, wasn't it? I'll just go back a bit so you can see the fascinating height it goes to. Oh dear, oh dear. There you go. So we get about a couple of feet in the air. I'll just come back even further, just in case we missed it. Yeah, not terribly impressive. I mean, it does work, we can't knock that, but it's rubbish, isn't it?